Welcome to Math, my friends. Today we're going to start by warming up our brain using our number grid to count up or count back. All right, so the very first one, we're going to start at 11, and you're going to count up 8 spaces. Go ahead, start at 11, count up 8 spaces, circle the number you land on. I'll give you a few minutes and then I'll show you mine, and you can check yours. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did you land on number 19? Nice work. Erase your board. All right, this time we're going to start at 18. And you're going to count up 20 spaces. 20 spaces. So there's a trick to this one. But I want you to, if you know the trick, that's fine. But I want you to count the spaces so we can practice counting spaces. So go ahead and I'll do mine in a minute so you can double check your work. All right, so, and you know if I'm going too fast, pause my video anytime. So if I know that I'm counting by tens, because I'm counting up 20, I know that I can stay right in the same column. There's 10, there's 20, so I should land on 38. Let's see if that happens. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 38 is 20. Look at that. We did it. Nice job. Erase your boards. All right, last one. You're going to start at 60. So underline it so you know where you're starting. And you're going to make 30. Oh, careful. We're going to count back 30 this time. So if we count back, our number's going to get smaller. Go ahead. There's a trick to this one too, but again, I want you to count out your spaces. So know the trick, but practice counting your spaces. Go ahead and I'll show you in a minute so you can double check your work. Start at 60, count back 30. All right, here we go. So I know that if I'm counting back, 30 is counting by 10. So here we go, 10, 20, 30. So I should land on 30, but let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. There we go. We did it. See how we did that? That's awesome. Good practicing. All right, erase your boards. Now, the last few lessons, we had talked a little bit about the start to change to end diagram, or they call it the start to more or start to less diagram. So we're going to continue our talk a little bit about that. So let's first talk about if I had some pennies and I dropped some pennies into my cup. So I want you to get this board out. I want you to get your sock and your eraser and your marker out still. We're gonna fill this chart out. So let's see if you remember how to fill it out. So here's the problem. I dropped 7 pennies in the cup. So what's your starting number? If you said 7, nice job. 7 pennies in the cup. Then I dropped 3 more. Okay, so 3 more. How many pennies are there in all? So we want to know how many pennies are all together. And the word more means we're going to add. And the word in all means we're going to add. So this sign right here, it stands for the word add. And it is red plus. So because I have this sign, I'm going to take away the word more. So this right here, this stands for the word add. But when I read it, I'm going to say 7 plus 3. Okay? Now, we also need this symbol. That symbol is equals to. Is equal to. So this would read 7 plus 3 is equal to, and then your answer would go here. So what is 7 plus 3? You could draw 7 circles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 3, 1, 2, 3, and you could add them all up. Or you could say 7 and then add up the extra. Okay, so let's do that. 7, 8, 9, 10. So your answer would go here. So this is called a number model or a number sentence. If I wrote 7 plus 3 equals 10, this is called a number model or a number sentence. And you read it this way: 7 plus 3 equals 10. And this equal sign means that what is on the left side is equal to what's on the right side. So it's saying that 7 plus 3 is equal to the number 10, or the number 10 is equal to 7 plus 3. Make sense so far? Let's try another one. Let's erase our boards. All right. I have 4 pennies in the cup. So what's my first number? What's my starting number? 4. Good. And I put 6 more in the cup. So we're not going to write more anymore because we know that more means we're adding, right? So we're going to use the plus sign. So then we also need to put on the equal sign. So here we go. This is how it reads. 4 plus 6 is equal to, and then you're going to put your answer there. So again, figure out how you're going to figure out 4 plus 6. You could draw dots. You could say the bigger number and count up. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that would be your answer, 10. So this would read 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. So that means what is on the right side is equal to what's on the left side. What is on the left side is equal to what's on the right side. Perfect. Now go ahead and erase. Now let's try some less than. Okay? So we're going to change this into a less than diagram. So here we go. If we start with 9 cups on the table, so what's my starting number? You got it, 9 cups. And I dropped 2 on the floor. So 2 less. But instead of using this word less, we're going to use this symbol. Okay? And that symbol is the subtraction symbol. Okay? It's read 9 minus 2 is equal to. So again, this is the subtraction symbol. It's a minus sign, so it's read 9 minus 2 is equal to, and you would put your answer there. So again, you might want to draw out 9 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You're going to take 2 away. 1, 2, and how many do you have left over? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what goes here? 7. How do you read this? 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. Good? And again, that means that what is on the left side is equal to what's on the right side. What is on the right side is equal to what's on the left side. All right, erase your boards. We'll try another one. All right, here we go. Now I have 8 cups on the table. So that's my starting number. And I dropped 4 cups. So we're not going to write 4 less this time. We're going to put the subtraction sign. We want to know what it's equal to. 8 minus 4 is equal to, what is it equal to? Go ahead and figure it out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's my 8 dots. I'm going to take 4 away. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many do I have left over? 1, 2, 3, 4. You got it. That's it. So we read this 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. Good work. You're amazing. All right, now let's get out our math book, our math journal. All right, and we're going to turn to page 14 today. And again, I'll read it to you. If you need to pause, pause. I'm going to read pretty quickly. All right, here we go. Which number adds to 5? Choose the best answer. Let me read that again. Which numbers add to 5? Choose the best answer. So you've got 5 and 5, 5 and 1, 2 and 3, and 3 and 3. So choose one of these. What two add to 5? When you add them up, what two add to 5? Okay? How many dots in all? Count the dots and write the number right here. In all means you're adding them. Use your number grid. Start at 11, count up 9. You end at. So they want to know, what number do you end at? And I know I'm reading these quickly. It's okay. You have the pause button to stop. Okay? Sonia played 5 songs in the morning. He played 3 songs in the afternoon. How many songs did he play in all? So they labeled it songs. So 5 in the morning and 3 in the afternoon. Add them up and put the total right there. The sum. Myra played 3 songs in the morning. She played 5 songs in the afternoon. How many songs did Myra play in all? Same thing. Add them up. Write the number. And again, that looks like the turnaround rule or the commutative property of addition. So you got that. That one's easy. All right, I'm done. So post this page to Seesaw. Okay, post page 14 to Seesaw. And have a great day.